the lovely east side of the island, which faces into the mainland. So over there you can see Largs, and the ferry crosses from that point. You can see the ferry just reaching Cumbrae. It's such a quiet island, which makes it ideal for cyclists and walkers. There's not much traffic comes over here, and there's just one circular road around the island, so it's really safe to cycle. My bike today was £12 for 3 hours, or it's £14 for all day. But if you're just cycling around the island, 3 hours is enough. I'm liking the little signs around the island. They're in the shape of Cumbrae. There is a bus that meets the ferry on arrival, so there's no waiting around for a bus. It's always at the bus stop, and it's about a 5-minute journey into Millport. Cycled past the ferry slip, and you can see the ferry coming across there. And here I am at the most northerly part of the island, at this memorial, which is in honour of 2 young seamen who were lost in 1844 on the HMS Shearwater. This island over here is the Isle of Bute, where I was yesterday, and then we're looking up the Firth of Clyde. You've got Knock Hill there in the centre, and you've got Largs with the hills beyond. It's just so peaceful, it's great. This is a nice stop actually, there's a few picnic benches here as you can see. So summertime, come and enjoy an alfresco lunch. west coast of Cumbrae is just spectacular. You've got the Isle of Bute over there. You've got Dunoon along that way. Directly in front of us you've got Kilcatton Bay, and I was actually sat in a cafe there just yesterday. And behind that you've got the peaks on the Isle of Arran. I can't get any better than this. Just beautiful.
Hi everyone, here I am back in Millport. I've returned the bicycle to the shop you can see in the background there. On Your Bike it's called, and it was a fabulous cycle round, 10 miles complete. I'm just about to catch the bus back to the ferry slip, and then I'll take the ferry back over to Largs and head home. So thanks for joining me today. It's been a great day. Please, if you haven't already, please like and subscribe to my channel. I'm adding new stuff all the time. It would be great if you could join me, and yep, I look forward to seeing you soon. In the meantime, I wish you a wonderful week ahead, and I'll see you soon. Take care. Bye.